welcome again to Red Ted Art. First things first, subscribe to the channel. Today we've got these super cute little bookmark minions. Now we've made bookmark corners before and they're really easy, and I saw that you guys really enjoyed them, so I just wanted to show you really quickly how to make your own little minion. Now just so you can see how the bookmarks work, they work really easily. You just put them at the corner like that, and then they're really neat and they fit in your book and keep your place really nicely. There we go, look at that, really sweet. Now let's get started really quickly. You will need a square piece of paper depending on what size you want. This is sort of your standard origami yellow piece of paper, but you can cut ordinary paper out to make it that size. You take one corner and you fold it all the way to the other corner to make a triangle. Here's my triangle. Then you take this corner and bring it up to the top. And try and get a nice neat edge. There we go. And then you take this corner and bring it up to the top. Another nice neat edge. Here we go. Open it up. Now you should have two pieces here. You take one piece and fold it down. Take this corner and you tuck it in. Okay, so you take it up and you tuck it in as neat along this edge as possible. Take this corner, bring it up, and you tuck it in as neat as possible. There you have your basic bookmark shape. Now it's time to decorate. I'm going to start off with the body. So I've got some nice blue body paper here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut along the outside of this triangle like this. Obviously don't cut your bookmark, but just cut around it to get that shape. Get rid of that. In fact, I'm going to just trim it down a tiny bit so that it fits inside nicely. So trim, trim. To get your sort of dungaree shape, and as if there's some little arms, let's just check this fits. Yep. You cut a little square out this side, like so, and you cut a square out this side. It doesn't have to be too accurate. It's really just to give you an idea of the dungarees. Now I quite like adding this blue bit simply because, and I don't think it matters if you can see some little bits, it looks like at the top of the things, at the top of the dungarees. I like it because it also gives the bookmark a bit more flexibility, so it's a really good addition to add the trousers to your minion. Turn it around like so. Here we go. Now you want some eyes. I'm going to start off by just cutting a strip of black paper. Like so. Stick it on. And then you can wrap it around the back. It doesn't have to go all the way around. It's just as long as you've got enough going around the front. So you get it like this. And you can just tuck it around the back for a nice neat edge, or you can cut it if you prefer. That's going to be your eyes. Well, beginning of your eyes. Now we're going to cut some circles. Let me just cut a piece of white paper. So now I'm going to cut two circles for the eyes. I usually do them freehand, as you can see, and you can make them any size because the minions have different sized eyes, don't they? Some with one big eye, some with two. If you're not so good at cutting circles freehand, use a coin, a little to trace it. In the UK, a 1 penny coin is probably just right. Here we go. That's my two eyes. This is where your pens come into it. I've got a grey and a black pen, and I'm just going to put some grey markers around the eye. So I'm doing it on a piece of paper so I don't get pen marks all over my nice surface. So you paint all the way around like this. Like so, and then on this side. Now we've got loads more Minion activities and crafts here on Red Ted Art. Just look for the Minion playlist if you're watching my YouTube channel, and if you're on my blog, just have a look for the Minion links in the blog posts. So I'm going to put 2 eyes in with my black pen. These are going to be really big eyes. Let's see, I might even just want one of them actually. One in the middle. Or should I do 2? Oh, I like it both. 1, 2. I think I'm going to do 2. I should really decide these sort of things before doing the video, shouldn't I? Right. Glue them on. Like so. 1. So you add the little mouth, then you can add a couple of hairs if you want. And there we go. And then your final touch is to just draw the little symbol. Basically I just go for a circle, make it nice and neat. Then I do a little diamond in the middle, and then just a little line. And that should give you that sort of Minion look. And there you have your super easy, quick to do Minion bookmarks. Anyway, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you here again soon. Bye.